Hey, what's up guys? Today's video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the problem of the channel option not showing or how to get it. So first of all, you're going to have a professional or a business account. And as you do that, you will see professional dashboard right here. Now let's go ahead and simply check if we are eligible or not. Tap three-bar icon. Under for professional, select account type and tools. Now as you do that, under get access to more tools, you will see the option of channels. And as you can see, this is not clickable. It says when you reach 1,000 followers. So the point is, if you have more than 1,000 followers or so, you will be able to access the option of channel or the button of channel. If not, you're just going to have to wait till you have that much followers. Repeat the same process once you have 1,000 followers. Then you will be able to click the button of channel. So guys, this is how easy it is. Thank you for watching.